Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Before digital photography, color negatives were the physical inverse of reality. Oranges appeared cyan, skies appeared dark amber. Photoshop's invert adjustment layer replicates this mathematically. Every pixel's color value flips to its exact opposite on the color wheel. Add one instantly with Control-I applied to an adjustment layer, or Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Invert. Applied to a black and white threshold result, it creates a white-on-black stencil, ready for laser cutting or screen printing. Applied to a full-color photograph, it produces a striking alien color palette, useful for poster and album artwork. Use it creatively on layer masks, too. Inverting a mask instantly swaps which areas it reveals and hides.